everybody, Sam here once again, and today we've got an unboxing and a review, because I've put it back in its box, of the TouchEZ slide out keyboard case for the iPhone 4. It is also compatible with the iPhone 4S, and it's from the cool guys over at Konnet. I believe I'm saying that correctly. So thank you very much for them sending this across to me, and it's this ultra thin slide out. So let's have a quick look on the back. So we'll just read some of these quick things for you. So the main features are soft to touch and extremely quiet, slim look design, full edge protectives, obviously covers your iPhone 4, slide out keypad for easy access to all the keys. It's got a built-in rechargeable Lion battery, and also standby time up to 20 days, which is pretty impressive. Recharge up to 500 times, so it's going to last you quite a while, let's be honest. And each key can be up to 1 million times. It's got your dimensions and your weight, which weighs 80 grams. So anyway, enough of that rubbish. Let's be honest, we always want to know how it actually performs and how it looks. I know these specifications obviously do count for something, but hey, you know, I want to see how it performs. So, in the box, you get your micro USB cable, which is used for charging. I've been using a separate one for this recently, so that's where it's still together. And we shall bring it off to the side. And here is the actual case itself / keyboard. So if this is all fully charged up, so it is ready to go, so I can give you a quick demo of what it's like. So basically it tells you how to actually insert it. So insert your iPhone, so it can work, obviously slide it out, and it tells you what the bottom's all about. So at the bottom of it here, as you can see, get a bit of a better focus on that for you. It does tell you there what they are. So you got your charge indicator, your power switch, your charging port, and also your pairing button. Cool. So, shall we show you now? No, what we'll do is we'll put the iPhone into it first, and then we'll show you what it looks like. So here is my iPhone 4S. And basically very easy to stick it in. Stick it like that. Push it down. Clicks into position. Job done. That's it. It's now fully inserted into there, and it does grip it very, very well, I must say. I've been very impressed by how it, how it does grip it. So now we'll show you the goods. You ready? There you go. There's the full QWERTY keyboard, and it's a 4-row QWERTY with your numbers at the top. So I just obviously just give you a bit of a sound, see if you can hear the difference, see if you can hear the keys. So even though it does say obviously on the packet that they are extremely quiet, they're not loud by any standards, don't get me wrong, but I wouldn't say they're extremely quiet, as you can probably hear that. It's pretty much standard what I'd expect, in all honesty, for the actual keys. It's got a very much feel like if you've used the Motorola Milestone, or for a lot of people in America, it'll be the just Motorola Droid. Then it's got a very, similar sound and feel feedback to that. I must say the feedback on them is very, very nice. I like having a nice good old feedback onto them. So as you can see, it does add a fair bit of bulk, but not as much as I were actually expecting. But obviously, because it's just this part here, and this is the keyboard here. So what we're going to do, we're just going to pair it to the actual iPhone now. Now I have paired it before, so it should be, as you can see, it is there. So what we'll do is just click it there, and it will try and obviously connect to the keyboard itself. Normally takes around 10 to 15 seconds is what I've noticed in my tests. Doesn't want to connect for some reason. What we'll do is we shall just click it again. We'll forget it. And then we shall, there we go. So we'll show you what it's like to pair it fully. So basically it's asking me to, on the keyboard, press in the pin code. So we'll press that real quick, which is 5858. So 5858, and then you press the enter button. And there we go. It's connected. which you can see in the top right corner. So let's come out of there, and what we'll do is we'll just go on to Twitter really quickly and post a quick tweet. So obviously just to show what it's like. Unfortunately, obviously the Twitter application doesn't actually turn sideways, but that's no fault of the actual keyboard itself. So, hey, just testing the TouchEZ Keyboard. So that's what it's like. So you can see I made a slight mistake there. But in terms of the overall feedback, feel of it, you know, it does feel really nice. So now we'll just send that out really quickly. So I mean, my overall kind of feel on it is the material it's used out of is absolutely fantastic. It's got the nice branding on there. It's kind of like a matte, it's like a rubberized kind of feel, but it's not sticky. Obviously, a lot of rubberized things are kind of sticky when you're touching them. This has got a very, very nice feel to it. For those that have kind of like played with, let's say, a device such as the HTC Desire, etc., it's got that kind of feel on the back. It's a very, very nice feeling material. So congratulations to Konnet for actually doing that. They've picked some very premium quality products there. In terms of the actual keyboard and the battery life I found it to be pretty good actually. The standby time, I've not even had a chance to get to those 20 days. Because obviously I've used it more than just letting it stand by. In terms of everyday use, I've been replying to people on Twitter, text messages, you name it, and I've been getting, you know, a good 2 days out of it without even having to recharge it at all. So I personally think that's really good. Obviously you can just charge it at the same time as your iPhone. That's what I've been generally doing, is plugging it in there and plugging in my iPhone, letting them charge at the same time. And again, I mean, we'll take you around it really quickly just obviously you can see the cutouts. So it has got the cutouts there for the volume up and down and the silencer. Gone all the way down to the bottom. Very nice open space. Obviously all covered up. And on the top, obviously cut out again. But the main thing I like is the actual camera cutout. It adds a very, very nice detailing effect to it. Hopefully you can see that on there. And obviously when it opens, you still get access to it as well. So yeah, I mean, I've been very impressed with it. It's something that I wouldn't have really considered purchasing, on my own previously. But I use this as my daily driver now, just for the fact that I like the keyboard, obviously on the iPhone. So who knows? Maybe Apple will bring something else similar. But for now, personally, this is probably the best option you can get. So once again, thank you to the awesome people over at Konnet for sending this across to me. Go check them out. Links are in the description. I've got another couple of things coming from Konnet, so stay tuned for those. If you've got any questions in regards to this or anything else that I've just done previously, you know what to do. Hit me up down below. Hit me up on Twitter at samjpullen. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, all that good stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I shall see you in my next video. Cheers.